All right, in this problem, to make it easy, you have to recognize that this is a square pan that we're baking with. So if it's 20 inches this direction, it's also 20 inches this direction. So the area of the pan itself is going to be 20 by 20, or 20 squared. Now if I subtract off what's being cooked of just the cookie dough, I need to know the size of each cookie. Well, if it's 20 wide, each of these different diameters has to be 5 to add up a total of 20. So the formula for area of a circle, or in this case a cookie, is pi times the radius squared. And if the radius in this case is 2.5, half of that 5, I'd have an equation that looks like this to find the area of one cookie. But now technically I have 16, so I'm going to go times 16. If I subtract those cookies off the total sheet, I'll know what's being wasted. So times pi times 2.5 squared times 16. Then that answer is the amount of being wasted. But now if I could reshape this dough into more cookies, I would want to know how many more cookies can fit into that dough. So I'm going to divide it by the area of one cookie, which again is pi times 2.5 squared. When I solve this, I'll know exactly how many cookies I can make, taking into account that if I get a decimal of, let's say, 0.01 or even 0.99, this answer that I get right here is the amount you can make the cookies out of. If you don't have enough to finish off the next cookie, then you don't have enough. Hopefully this helps.